Day 142 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again another day, another LeetCode problem. This time it's day 142, and we're still going strong, y'all. So keep going, stay disciplined, stay consistent, y'all, because we're just getting started. We made it 142 days in, and we still have a long way to go, y'all. So don't get excited yet. It's not over. We have to keep going. We have to keep pushing through. It may never be over. We might be on this LeetCode journey forever, but that's okay because we're doing something that we love doing, which is coding, and we are advancing our knowledge and becoming more knowledgeable and better programmers so we could be the best programmers that we can be. Now, before we get started, don't forget, bring a mouse, bring a mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. Then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we could run up this engagement and we could help push this content out to a broader audience and do our part as Swift community members to help the Swift community grow as a whole, y'all. Now, I know why y'all are here. And today we have question number 541, reverse string 2. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well because we're all here trying to learn something. And if we don't understand the solution, then we probably won't learn anything, and that is not what we want. So let's see what the question says. It says, given a string S and integer k, reverse the first k characters for every 2k characters counting from the start of the string. If there are fewer than k characters left, we reverse all of them. If there are less than 2k but greater than or equal to k characters, then reverse the k characters and leave the others original. So let's look at the example and see what they're talking about. So example 1, we have input S equals A, B, C, D, E, F, G, K equals 2. So right here, it says reverse the first k characters. So the first k equals 2. The first k characters are A and B, so we're going to reverse those to BA, right? So that's why the output is BA. Then it says, hold on, it says for every, it says reverse, it says reverse the first k characters for every 2k characters counting from the start of the string. So for every 2k characters, we have to reverse the first k characters. That's why these two are reversed, right? Because k equals 2, so we reverse the first 2. But it says for every 2k characters, so we have to 2k would be 4. So because 2 times 2 is 4, so 2k is 4. So for every, we're gonna repeat this for every 4 characters because k equals 2 and it's 2k, right? So the first 2 is here, so that's why that's BA. But then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is the first 4. So now, this is the first 4 because we're looking at the input. So this is the first 4. We reverse the first 2 right here, which is BA. Then we have to do, after the first 4, we have to reverse the first 2 again, right? So boom, for the next 4. So that's why this F and E is reversed of the E and F because it's the next 2k characters. Then we leave G how it is because it says right here, if there are fewer than k characters less, reverse all of them. But see, there's not fewer than k characters left because there's 3 characters left, right? So we're not reversing all of them. Then it says if there are less than 2k characters but greater than or equal to k characters, then reverse the first k characters and then leave the others as it is. So this E and F falls into this requirement because it says right here there is less than 2k characters, right? There's only 3 characters left, but we need 4 characters left for it to be 2k, right? So there's only 3 characters left. So it says but greater than or equal to k. 3 is greater than or equal to k. So then we just reverse the first k characters and leave the others original, right? So that's why we just reverse this E and F and we leave the G how it is. So that's why how the output is B, A, C, D, F, E, G. First, we look at the first 2k characters, we reverse the A and the B, boom. Then we look at the next 2k characters, but there is less than 2k characters, but greater than or equal to k characters. So we're just going to reverse the first k characters, which is the E and the F. Boom. Let's change that to FE. And then reverse the first k characters and then leave the others original. So we leave the G how it is. And that's how we got the output, a string BACDFEG. So let's look at example 2 to make it make sense. In case that didn't, this is a little easier to understand because it's not as many characters, but let's get into it. So we have example 2, input S equals a string ABCD, K equals 2. The output is BACD. Output is BACD because right now there are only 2K characters, so we only have to go through this once, right? So first we reverse the first K characters, boom. K equals 2, so reverse the B and the A, boom. So now we have AB, and then but we do that for every 2K characters. There's only 2K characters, so that's the only thing we need to do is reverse the first 2 characters, or the first K characters, right? In this one, which is BA, and the rest is CD. And that's how we got the output BACD. Now that we understand the question, let's get into the fun part, the part that all keeps us going and keeps us motivated, the actual code, right? And the first thing we're going to do, we are going to say, if K, is, equal to 2 equal signs 1, then we're just going to return S. Then we're going to come down here because we need 2K characters. So if K is only 1, we just can return S how it is, right? Then we're going to say, declare a variable called charge. We're going to set that equal to an array S, right? So we're going to convert S into an array, and we are going to call that charge. So it'll be easily to mutate it once we change it into an array. We could it'll be easier to change each character. Then we can work with each character in the string instead of working with the whole string as a whole. That's what changing it into an array is going to do. Then we're going to say for I in stride from colon 0 comma through colon charge dot count. Then we're going to say comma by colon 2 times K. So this is going to get us allow us to loop through everything, loop through the elements of the array that we just created from S. We're going to be able to iterate through that for every 2 times K characters. This is going to help us to do that. Then we're going to say var left equals I, and we're going to say var right equals min, open up the parentheses, I plus K minus 1, comma, charge dot count minus 1. So right is going to equal whichever one is smaller, I plus K minus 1 or charge dot count minus 1. Then we're going to come down here and we are going to say while left is less than right, what we are going to do is we're going to say charge dot swap at, then we're going to open up the parentheses, say left comma right, and this is what's going to allow us to reverse the string, hence the name reverse string. We're gonna swap the letters at the beginning with the letters at the end, and we're gonna keep doing that until left is not less than right. And then we're gonna increment left. We're gonna do it again for the next number. We're gonna increment left plus 1. Then we're gonna decrement right minus equals 1. Left plus equals 1. Then we're gonna say right minus equals 1. Then we're going to come down here, we're going to say return string, because remember, right now we're still working with the array charge, so we have to convert the array back into a string. So we're going to say return string charge. And that should be all she wrote, y'all. Let's run it, see what happens. We should be good, though. We should be in the clear, y'all. Let's see. And there it is. It's accepted, so let's submit it. Let's submit it and see. Ooh, 26 milliseconds beats 48.84% of users with Swift, y'all. That's not too bad, not too bad at all. I hope y'all learned something from this explanation and this solution, because I feel like this is an easy solution to understand no matter what level you are on your programming journey. So that's why I chose it, and I hope it's easy to understand for you all as well. And I hope y'all learned something today. And I hope to see y'all tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. Peace.